Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you guys this melting your mouth spicy fish. So this recipe is super delicious yet so flavorful. But before we begin, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new here to my channel. So let's start. So here we have taken 1.5 kg of fish. Here guys, I have salted the fish for 2 to 3 hours so that salt goes deep inside, and I washed it well. In the next, moving towards our seasoning, here I'm using special homemade fish spices, 3 tablespoons. How the spice is prepared, each and every ingredient is written in the description box in Urdu and English language. You can check it out. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Half teaspoon of salt has already added to the garlic paste. And then I'm going to add garlic water, almost half cup, to make the texture. Mix it well. And then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar so that fish will stay whole and firm. So now I'm going to spice the fish with the hands. So here guys, marinate the fish for a whole night or at least 5 to 6 hours to get best results. Now it's time to fry it. So I'm going to fry it about 10 minutes each side on medium flame. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get updated. After 10 minutes, I'm going to flip it over. Be careful with that. So guys, it's almost ready. Here's the time to serve it. So guys, it's super flavorful, and let's not forget how juicy this turned out. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out for your family. I'm sure they will love it. So I want to take this moment to thank you all for clicking the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Allah Hafiz.